The 2026 Honda Civic Hatchback may look like the Civic you think you already know, but appearances can be deceiving. This is not just another update, it is a complete reinvention that hides shocking surprises inside. Imagine a hatchback that blends sporty design, futuristic tech, and power you never expected. But wait, the biggest shock is not on the outside. Stay tuned, because what's inside will blow your mind completely. At first glance, the exterior feels familiar, yet sharper, bolder, and more confident. The 2026 Civic Hatchback is sculpted with aggressive lines, sleek LED headlamps, and a redefined grille that screams modern sophistication. Its silhouette remains practical, but now carries the bold presence of a sports car. But wait until you see the tiny exterior details, because they hint at something far more revolutionary waiting inside. Every angle of this Civic tells a new story. From the aerodynamic profile to the widened stance, Honda has pushed this hatchback into premium territory. The alloy wheels, futuristic light signature, and perfectly integrated spoiler create a sporty yet refined image. It feels both familiar and entirely new at the same time. Stay tuned, because the design evolution outside is nothing compared to the transformation that awaits inside. Step inside, and the entire Civic experience transforms before your eyes. The 2026 Honda Civic Hatchback has left behind ordinary interiors and embraced futuristic elegance. From the seating materials to the driver-focused cockpit, everything feels elevated. But wait until you see the advanced tech packed inside, because this interior is not just built for comfort. It is built to shock your expectations completely. Inside, you are greeted by digital screens that merge seamlessly with the dashboard, intuitive touch controls, and premium finishes never before seen in a Civic. The cabin space feels wider, brighter, and smarter, with hidden storage solutions and luxury-inspired design. Comfort blends with cutting-edge connectivity, making it feel more like a premium sedan than a hatchback. Stay tuned, because under the hood hides the biggest surprise yet. Beneath the familiar shape lies a powertrain that pushes boundaries. The 2026 Honda Civic Hatchback is offered with efficient yet powerful engines that mix traditional reliability with new electrified options. This is not just about fuel economy, it is about rethinking performance. But wait, the numbers alone are not the real story. Coming next is how this Civic drives in ways no hatchback ever has before. On the road, the Civic Hatchback 2026 delivers a thrilling experience. The steering feels sharper, the suspension more refined, and the acceleration surprisingly bold for a hatchback. Whether cruising city streets or carving highways, this car feels alive. Honda engineered a balance between agility and stability that makes every ride exciting. But don't miss what's coming next, because the price might be the most shocking part of all. For all of these upgrades, many expect the Civic to move out of reach, but Honda has kept its mission clear, offering groundbreaking features at a price that shocks the market. This hatchback is not just for luxury buyers, but for those who want futuristic design without breaking the bank. Stay tuned, because this Civic is not only about the future, it is also about honoring a powerful legacy that few cars can match. The Honda Civic has built a legacy of trust, reliability, and performance for decades. From its humble beginnings to becoming a global icon, the Civic has always adapted to the times. The 2026 hatchback is the next bold step in that journey, proving that tradition and innovation can live in the same car. But the real shock is how this Civic not only respects its past, but also creates an entirely new future. The 2026 Honda Civic Hatchback looks familiar, but its hidden upgrades transform it into something extraordinary. From bold design to a luxurious interior, from surprising performance to shocking value, this car changes everything. If you love cars that break expectations, don't miss what's coming next. Hit subscribe so you will never miss the future of driving. The Civic story is just beginning, and you will want to be part of it.